so much better than scissors. Really nice toolkit. I mean, they give you every wrench you need. Probably not the best wrenches, but they sure would do if you needed touch-up paint. Semi-nice T-handle. Two-fender charger. Headlight. Having the Super 73 or the Hemingway, this little a lock washer right in there. The Hemingway headlight drops goes up. Same with the Super 73. That's already a better design right there. Here we're gonna do Unleash the Beast mode. So what you want to do is press and hold the button underneath to the left. Hit it. 57. Get to PD screen and your code is 19. Hit the plus button to go up 1. The same left button to enter. Go down once for 9, up once for 1, down 1 for 9. And then this you just want to hit up and down. I think stock it comes at 24 or something like that. I mean, you're never gonna go faster than 40 miles an hour, but set it all the way up to Unleash the Beast. What is 62 miles per hour? SL mode. Press and hold. Out of there, and you're set. If you want to make sure it's in there, press and hold again. Get through these other modes. PD, 1 up, click. 1 down, click, 1 up, click, 1 down, click. It's at 62. That way you can top out over 20 miles an hour. Otherwise you're going to be stuck at 20 miles an hour.
Yeah, I got it.